Hi, I'm Rob. I run the Level 3 Music Production course, and here we are at the studio, and I'm going to take you in to have a look. Okay, so here we are, we're in the control room. Obligatory sofa, it's in nice red. Very comfy as well, students love it. We've got the live room through there, we'll take a look in a moment. And then here we go, we've got the main sort of all the running gear really, and we'll take a look and show you what we actually use. We're basically running Universal Audio Apollos. We've got the obligatory classic studio monitors with the Yamaha NS10s, vintage. And then we also have PMC monitor speakers as well, which are very nice. And as you can see, we're running Logic Pro. Logic Pro that we've got here is connected to our own server, which then we'll take a look at some other point, the tech suite, where students then can do the recordings, upload them, and then mix them in the tech suite. We've also got the capability of recording 16 channels in the live room simultaneously using industry standard microphones. And then using the Apollo Twin here, we can then also do guide guitar and guide vocals and bits and pieces and songwrite or pre-production elements within the control room itself without tying up the live room as well. And so here we are, we're in the live room. You'll notice that it's a much more deadened sound as well. It's a great room for tracking. We've got our drum kit here. Everything's connected into the multi-core there. We've got a piano situated here, which is regularly tuned. It sounds great. And then a selection of guitar amplifiers which are located just down here. And we've got some various bits of acoustic treatment to alter the room and the sound, which is just over in the corner. So we can block off the drum kit to get a really nice tight sound, as well as so we can get more live performances as going as well. And we've also now acquired a new space as well, which I'll take you through and show you. This is going to be up as of this year. Come through these double doors, watch yourself, mind your step. So we're going to have a little one pre-production room here, which has the ability to connect to the live room as well, just to record other bits and pieces, but also be able to use it as a little mixing space, again connected to the network. And then through in this room here is our little synth lab. Just turn the lights on. And so we've got a nice little space here, which is going to be dedicated for students to book out, and they can do mixing, they can write, and they can bring synths in. We've got an electronic drum kit all wired in. So again, it becomes another little creative environment. It's all about being creative and using all the technology that we've got here to create great music.